I've connected everything to the fuse. For the cigarette lighter, I just tapped on the fuse with the double tapping fuse. In here, all I've done so far, well, I tested everything, but I've done so far is put the airlift manifold on this kind of. I took the original upholstery cover on the trunk and put this kind of fake leather, if you will. I have over there the sensor for the PSI of the tank. This is the water trap. That's where the compressor goes, and that's where the manifold goes through. The manifold is already attached. Everything is pretty much, as I said, all ready to go. I just have to change the suspension, attach the lines, change the front, because I haven't taken out the wheels of the front. To lower it back out, my dumbass should have done it when the car was on the floor. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the rear suspension and putting the new one. So yeah. So I'm showing you what I did right now. This is the 3S system wiring. This is the actual cable that goes to. This is the actual cable that goes to the unit, to the 3S unit. I have it connected, hooked up here to the battery. I have the ground here, and I have battery there. Here's the 8 gauge. I'm gonna try to fix this a bit like this. I'm using electrical tape and zip ties. I'm gonna leave this one covered until I get this complete. I have also, here's the rest of the wiring. It's next to these two computer units for the car. Also, one second. Also, well, I have done this. I'm just trying to fix this tape here. I fit all of this taping into the back here, make sure everything is good and taped and doesn't come out. When I put the top, okay, right back there is the cable that goes to the. I connected it to the cigarette lighter fuse. Tapped into that fuse. I'll show you a little bit what I did. Here's the 2 cables that go there, and that's for the pressure sensor for the air tank. That's everything there. So that's what I'm showing you right now. It's too complicated to show you exactly what I did, so all I say is follow the instructions on the manual that comes on the instruction manual that comes with the 3S system, and that should be good enough. I've tested this. Everything was tested before I was able to correct all of these cables and wires and stuff like that. And I see this cable is off, but okay, so that's fine. So that's good there. Yeah, so I've fixed all of these wires. I made a slide through the thing right there to, I'm sorry guys, to make it look nicer. And let me show you the trunk setup. So this is what I have so far. I can always twist this because it's always pointing to the anyways, it doesn't matter right now. Here I have the 3S manifold. I said I made the hole for when the lines go, and the main manifold wire. I'm gonna do all that later, but I'm gonna go ahead and install this. These are the lines that go to the front for the gauges, because this is a manual system, doesn't have pressure sensors or anything. This is what I mounted right here for the compressor, and this is what I mounted here, what I cut here for the wires that go into this sensor here, and the wires that go into the main compressor here. An issue I had with the compressor was the filter. I don't know where I put the filter, but yes, the filter for the compressor. It's very shitty, honestly, like really garbage, because it's just plastic. I thought it would be metal, so I bought a metal one, and it's not the right size. So I guess I'm gonna find a coupler or something, because the plastic one, the shitty one, broke. Anyways, that doesn't matter right now. What matters is that we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. I also did install this kind of faux leather with some spray on glue, 3M spray on glue. I'm gonna put some leather around here and inside to make it look nicer, and the cables and the wires and the lines, the air lines, don't break or get cut by the wood or something. I'll do that when this is on it. And I'm pretty sure I'm able to install the side liners with this in it, so there shouldn't be any issue. But I'm just gonna test fit the liners first to get an idea, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys? So this is what I've done so far. I'll show you in the front later on. But yeah, all right. So here's everything. So that's the air suspension, and so I had never changed a suspension previously. This is my first time changing a suspension, and I'm doing, well, coilovers and stuff, you know. And this is the first air suspension I've done. So so far everything's gone well. My dad helped me a little bit changing this and stuff. So I would have this bar here. There is the coil bag right there, and there's the strut. It's all done in here. Inside you can see there's the bolted there. Everything is being changed. So it took us a long ass time, but yeah, so we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna come back tomorrow. I'm probably gonna put this on the same video. Come back tomorrow and do the other side, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and take off the front wheels and do the front. I was gonna do the front first, but then I decided to go back first. I think it's a more complicated part because the front is much easier, and this hole right here might be the one I'll use for the to put the airlines towards the front, because inside there is nothing. Let me check, see if this goes through here. Yeah, I have no clue if it can go through there or not. I mean, it's going to be difficult to find out where the lines run and shit, but yeah. So I'm also going to show you guys something I bought on Amazon, which is going to help me protect the airlines. It's this right here. It's some sort of mesh wire tube, like, yeah, mesh wire sock or tube or something. I don't know what would you call this, but yes, you can put the airlines through here. It's perfect size for the 1/4 inch airlines that I have running to each strut. So yeah, you're gonna run this through. You can put the airlines inside this, and then run the airlines. It protects the airlines. It's kind of heat resistant and stuff. So yeah, it's really gonna help protecting the airlines and stuff when installing them. And honestly, the biggest issue here, it's just the airlines. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep working on this for the next few days, every day. Hopefully I get it finished before next week, because I want to get it on the road again. Hopefully I'll see you guys at the Orlando Festival of Speed. Sorry guys, I couldn't go to SEMA this year, but yeah, we'll keep working on this for the next time.